Hello, everybody. This is Val.
This is how we do it.
Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val. This is how you do it. I have a pot of pigtails. There are 15 pigtails in here. Smoked pigtails. And then I'm going to add some seasoning, some onions, and let it cook down real slow. It's on a low heat. And I'll be adding the seasoning and the onions and garlic in a few minutes. Okay, my people. All I have in is some water, probably 1/3 water. I'm going to throw some onions in here. That I just chopped. I was thinking about chopping up some garlic, but I have some mint garlic that I had in the refrigerator that I'm going to put in there. Let me get a spoon and do that right quick. Mint garlic you can get from any store. I put about, I'll say 3 since it's that many in there. And I really have a really large onion here. Not only I'm going to use that garlic, I'm going to use some more powder for seasoning. Throw in some Lawry seasoning salt. Can I open this? Some of this. That was a bit much there. I have to scoop some of that out. Don't want it too hot for those that can't stand it. If need be, we'll add some more. I took out about a tablespoon of that. Ginger would be a little too hot. We're going to leave it like that and let it cook down and see what the broth tastes like. We're going to throw some sweet in there to combat that heat that I just put in there. Sweet always calm heat, but it gives it a nice flavor. And I'm going to put a top on that and let it cook slowly. Then come back later and stir. Now let me stir some of this up. Take some of the ones on top and rotate them toward the bottom of the container. See how they didn't cook down some? As they cook, it's going to go down even further. So let me stir them around. It made a little extra broth in it. See, can I bring some of them from the bottom toward the top? That down there. The ones on the bottom are practically falling apart right now. Okay. I'm I'm going to end up putting some more water in it to cover it. That's why the ones on top are not as, the ones that were on top is not as tender. But they're not tender enough yet. Let me see, can I bring it down for you just a tad? So you can see what I'm talking about. See? Now that seems to be just soft, but they're not to the point where I need them. But I'm just going to put a little bit more water over them. Probably to about right there. They would have probably boiled over if I would have put more water in the beginning. So continue to let these cook. It's doing perfect. It's got to cook for several more hours anyway. And then that will start to, some of them will break down toward the bottom and the meat will start falling apart, and those will drop down inside of it. Okay, let's take a look. Pull one of them out. Put them in the pan here. Show it to you. It's showing you how tender it is. And this is how you cook pigtails. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. Don't y'all forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button. And I see all you beautiful, 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 beautiful people on the next video. Bye bye now.